there are three mixtures P, Q and R of milk and water. Mixture P contains milk and water in ratio 2:3. Amount of milk and water in Q is 12 liters and 33 liters respectively. Amount of water in R is 5 liters less than milk. When same quantity of all three mixtures is mixed, what is the ratio of milk and water in final mixture? Very good sum. So I'll have P, I have Q and I have R. I have milk here, I have water here. I have milk here, I have water here. I have milk here, I have water here. In the first container P, there in first mixture P, the ratio is 2:3. In second, I am being given actual quantities 12 liters and 33 liters. Then in last, I am being given the water is 5 liters less than milk. So if this is X liters here, this will be X minus 5 liters, right? So here both the things are given in liters and here it is given in ratio. So let us try to find out, and they are of equal capacity. So now since this is given in liters, this actually is 45 liters, which means this should be also 45 liters because they are of equal capacity, and this is also 45 liters. Clear? Absolutely clear? Which means because I am actually given this is 45 liters, because इसमें मिल्क 12 लीटर है और वाटर 33 लीटर्स है, तो ये जो Q का जो कैपेसिटी है वो 45 लीटर्स है और दोनों से तीनों सेम क्वांटिटीज है ना, तो ये 45 है तो ये भी 45 है, ये भी 45 है. If this is 45, then I can actually remove x plus x minus 5. इन दोनों को ऐड करूंगा तो that should be 45, which means 2x should be 50, which means x should be 25. If x is 25, then I got, इसमें तो 12 लीटर्स है और इसमें 33 लीटर्स है और ये P ये Q हो गया, और R में कितना है, x is 25 लीटर्स, तो ये 25 लीटर्स हो गया और ये 25 minus 5, ये 20 लीटर्स हो गया. Now let us come back to these things. Now ये total 45 लीटर्स होना चाहिए, तो 5 की वैल्यू 45 लीटर्स है, तो एक की वैल्यू 9 होना चाहिए, मतलब ये P के अंदर this should be 18 liters and this should be 27 liters. Now सब 45 मेरे को मिल्क एंड वाटर का उसमें क्वांटिटीज पता चल गया. Now I am mixing all these three, which means I am mixing this 12 plus 25 plus 18, so 30. So this becomes 55, and what does water become? 33, 53, 60, 80. Clear? 33, 53, 53, 60, 60 plus 20, 80. Now the ratio is, I'll divide by 5, 11 is to 16. So final mixture will contain 11 is to 16. Absolutely clear? यहाँ पर मुझे रेशियो दिया है जो लीटर्स में दिया है, प्लस मेरे को तीनों कैपेसिटी सेम बताई है, तो ये मेरे को 45 लीटर्स है, तो ये भी 45 लीटर्स, ये भी 45 लीटर्स. इसमें मेरे को अगर दिया हुआ कि डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस टू इज 5, सो अगर मैं 45 लीटर्स को 5 डिफरेंस में डिवाइड किया तो ये 25, ये 20 आ गया. फिर ये 45 लीटर्स है, वो 2:3 का रेशियो है, मतलब ये 18 है और ये 27 है. Then all these things I mixed together, then all the milk got added to the milk, all the water got added to the water, 55 is to 80 हो गया, जो रेशियो 11 is to 16 हो गया. Okay. The ratio of milk and water is 7 is to 3. How much amount of the mixture should be replaced with water so that the amount of milk and water becomes equal in the vessel? How much amount of mixture should be replaced with water so that amount of milk and water becomes equal in the vessel? So ये milk है, ये water है, उसका ratio 7 is to 3 है. Now I have to replace, I have to remove the mixture, let us say X I removed, ratio still remains 7 is to 3, and then I have to replace that with water of same quantity so that the mixture becomes equal, 1 is to 1. Now यहाँ पर milk was same, so I will make it 7 is to 7. It is not a problem. Now what happened? Water 3 का 7 हो गया, मतलब 4 का रेशियो इंक्रीज हुआ. 4 का रेशियो करस्पॉन्ड्स टू x लीटर्स. Yes or no? 4 का रेशियो रिप्रेजेंट x लीटर्स. So 1 का रेशियो विल रिप्रेजेंट x by 4 लीटर्स. राइट? विच मीन्स यहां पर जो क्वांटिटी है ये 7, वो 7x by 4 होगी, और यहां जो क्वांटिटी है वो 3x by 4 होगी. होगी कि नहीं होगी? Which means this total quantity is 10x by 4 here. So this is 10x by 4. This is 10x by 4. And this 10x by 4 actually is after x is removed. So ऊपर कितना हो गया? ऊपर भी तुम्हारा ये क्वांटिटी 10x by 4 है. Clear? So this 10x by 4 quantity, no, this is not 10x by 4. This is 10x by 4, and this, if I add x to it, so it will become 14x by 4. Initially quantity मेरे पास ऊपर 14x by 4 था, because ये 10x by 4 x लीटर निकालने के बाद बना. तो इस 10x by 4 में मैं x लीटर ऐड कर दूंगा तो मेरे को ओरिजिनल क्वांटिटी 14x by 4 मिलेगी. So my original quantity was 14x by 4, right? And how much did I replace? x मैंने निकाला और x से रिप्लेस किया ना, x upon 14x by 4, which is equals to 2 by 7. So 2 by 7th of the mixture I should replace with water so that my ratio becomes 1:7. So answer is 2 by 7. Okay. The ratio of milk and water in a mixture is 2:1. How much fraction of the mixture must be drawn off and substituted by water so that the ratio of milk and water in the mixture becomes 5:3? So here also what they're saying is there is a vessel in which there is milk and there is water. Correct. And that ratio is 2:1. How much fraction of the mixture must be drawn off? Which means I am drawing off some fraction from it, that is x. My ratio will still be remaining 2:1 because I am drawing the entire mixture out. Ratio will not be changed. And I am substituting it by water. And my ratio becomes 5:3. So I am being asked what was the initial quantity, that is this removed quantity x upon initial quantity is what I have been asked. Let's try to find out. Now in the second scenario, my milk is same, but here milk is not same. So I will multiply this ratio by 5 and this ratio by 2. So here what happened, it will become 10:5, then x is added, and here it will become 10:6. Yes or no? Which means the ratio was 5, it became 6, milk is same here, which means 1 increase हुआ ratio में, which corresponds to x liters. Yes or no? Which means if this was 1 represents to x liters, this would have been 10x and this would have been 5x. So यहाँ पर जो quantity थी आपकी, that should have been 15x, right? And this 15x is after x was removed from original. So original कितना होगा? 15x plus x, 16x होगा. And what I'm being asked? X upon initial quantity, which is 16x. The answer is 1/16. 1/16 is the answer. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the videos. If you have any doubts, please contact me on my WhatsApp channel, and please do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'll keep on coming with more and more such videos. So all the best and have a nice day.